Let's take a look at the outline for today. First, we'll be talking about the challenges and the gap we are going to face when we try to transfer from smart design to smart manufacturing. And once we know that, I will show you how to bridge the gap between design and manufacturing side. And later on, I will show you one successful case study of a perfect integration. Finally, for today, we'll have a short summary to close this topic. Okay, so now let's go straight to the challenges of transitioning from smart design to smart manufacturing. Now, in real life, when we have the part design and the tool design, we'll finish the tool and then go to the production side. On the manufacturing side, we'll do several trial shots and trial and error. Maybe based on trial and error, maybe we'll have a certain standard of DOE process to optimize our injection molding process. Now that we have software, after we have the design, we might run some CAE simulation and to predict the potential defects, to optimize our process, and then use this in real life. But for process engineers, they might wonder, can I use the process condition from CAE for my mold trial? Although we know that this is the most ideal way of integration, that we can go directly from CAE analysis result to manufacturing mold trial. But the process engineers, they might have this concern, whether they can use this result directly for their first mold trial. So let's take a look. Let's go deep into why they have this kind of concern. So there are some key factors that will influence the quality of a injection molding process. First is the mold design, including the gate design, the runner layout, and our cooling design. And of course, we have the part design, also will influence the quality, whether we have a proper rib, we have proper fillet, do we have a proper thickness, is it uniform enough, do we have some inappropriate undercut. Okay, and then we have the material, all the material properties like PVT data, the viscosity, the mechanical properties. And finally, we have the machine itself, whether it's electric, whether it's hydraulic, is the machine controlling system stable or not.